What's good, YouTube? So in this video, as you guys can see, I got this big ass box. We're gonna be installing wide body fender flares on my E70. So the reason that we're installing these flares, I'm gonna show you guys on camera right now, but the overland tires with the stock staggered sport setup pokes out a lot. I'm trying to give you guys a good view of it on camera. And these fenders, you guys see like the plastic stock fenders right here, they pretty much replace those and they're wider, so it's not like I'm gonna have to mess with the car's body in any way. But look, as you guys can see, look how much poke that is right now. So hopefully the over fender covers the tire a little bit and like makes it fit the car better. So pretty much how to install these is the stock I guess over fenders, they're just a bunch of clips all around. So that's what we got Josh removing right now. Once you guys get all the clips out, it literally just slides right out perfectly. Oh yeah, they're definitely wider. Let's get these unboxed for y'all. All right, you guys, I didn't think it was gonna be this much wider, but look, this is the stock one for you guys. And look how much wider this one is. Holy shit. Yeah, these tires might actually fit. It just clips in, but yeah. Definitely wider. Yeah, that shit looks way better. Holy. I'm gonna zoom in on it for you guys right now. Look at that. Sheesh. Probably the easiest install I ever made this nigga do. Yo, the way they shipped us these clips, it literally looks like a bag of weed. Look at that. Shit's crazy. We got an 1/8 of clips. Alright, so now we're moving on to the back wheel. And it's pretty much the same concept. It's just all the clips all around, and then the fender liner just pulls out. It's gonna be a lot more annoying now though that I have these fat ass tires in the way. We low-key should have done this when I had the other tires. There was mad room. We basically got everything unclipped right now, and yeah, he's gonna pretty much pull it out. Pause. Oh, didn't even have to open the door. It's off. And yeah, we got these pussy ones out, and hopefully the new ones will help covering that tire. Yo, that's so satisfying watching the clips go in there. Oh my god, that shit looks wide in the rear. Holy fuck, that shit covers the whole tire. Damn near. Look at that shit, you guys. Holy fuck. Nah, that shit looks ready to go off-roading. Holy. Damn, we got a whole family of ducks pulling up. I was like, what the hell is that noise behind me? Look at that. Whole gang. Nah, I don't want to smoke with you guys. Y'all got it. Alright, you guys, so this is how the fender flares turned out. Honestly, I think it really added a nice effect to the car. It makes it look a lot wider. especially from like this back 3/4 angle. It looks real nice. The install is pretty straightforward. You literally just unclip it from the fender liner and then just bolt everything back up. So yeah, I definitely recommend this mod for you guys that are trying to get an overland build on your X5, just because it makes the tires fit the car a lot better. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm probably gonna need some fender flares soon, because look at how that shit's kicking up onto the bumper. But I don't mind it. It kind of fits the look of the car. Yeah, I know, I gotta get the headlights redone, but it definitely makes the car look wider, even from the front. Look, I'll show you guys right now. You guys see the little flare in the back? Kind of makes it like M3-esque. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna wrap up this short little video on the fender flares. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And we got a lot more X5 content on the way. Actually, the next video will be on this awning that you guys see on my roof rack right there. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I installed it on my roof rack, and how to set it up. But yeah, I think it looks badass. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned for the next X5 episode. But until then, I'll catch you guys.